To English Minds, where learning English becomes simple, fun, and inspiring.
Join us to speak with confidence and clarity. Let's grow together.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to English Mind, where learning English is simple, fun, and part of your everyday life. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our amazing listeners. It feels great to be here again.
It really does. How are you today, Mark?
I'm feeling great, thanks. Had a calm morning, just coffee and a good book.
That sounds lovely. A peaceful start always sets the tone for the day.
Exactly. What about you, Emily?
I'm doing great too, especially because today's topic is something I truly love.
Oh, now I'm curious. You said this one's a powerful way to learn English, right?
Yes, and the best part? You can do it every single day. No textbook, no classroom, just your life.
My life. Okay, I've got one of those. Sounds interesting already.
Good. But before we jump in, a small favor to our listeners.
Yes, if you're enjoying English Mind and learning with us, please take a quick second to tap that like button.
And subscribe so you never miss our new episodes.
Oh, and share this with a friend who's also learning English. You'll help them grow too.
Exactly. Thank you so much for your support. It means a lot to us.
All right, Emily, tell me, how is my life my English teacher?
Today, we're talking about your daily routine.
You mean the things I do every day?
Exactly. When you wake up, what you eat, when you go to work, all of it.
So like, I wake up, I brush my teeth, I drink coffee.
Perfect. Those simple sentences are exactly where we start.
Okay, step one.
Write them down in a notebook or on your phone. Every morning, write a few simple sentences about your day.
So I can sit with my coffee and write, I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
Exactly. That's you describing your life in English.
But why is that so helpful? It sounds so simple.
It is simple, and that's why it works. You're training your brain to think in English, not translate from your language.
Ah, I see. And I'm using vocabulary that actually matters to me.
Yes, you're reinforcing useful, real-life words, breakfast, coffee, work. You don't need fancy words like spaceship. You need bus.
Right. I take the bus to work. That's something I actually say.
Exactly. Start with your life, your words.
So I've got my notebook. I write my sentences. What's next?
Now you talk.
Talk? To whom? My wall?
You can. Walls are great listeners. But really, read your sentences out loud.
So I write, I have breakfast, and then I say, I have breakfast.
Yes, you're using your eyes, hands, mouth, and ears all together. That connection helps your pronunciation and confidence grow.
That's clever. So I'm not just learning, I'm using English.
Exactly. Even 5 minutes in the morning makes a big difference.
And what about at night before I sleep?
Perfect time for our next tip. Do the same thing, but in the past tense.
So in the morning, I write, I go to work, and at night, I write, I went to work.
Exactly. You're reviewing your day and practicing grammar naturally.
That's great. I'm not memorizing rules. I'm just telling my story.
Yes, you're learning grammar through real life.
But Emily, sometimes life gets busy. What if I forget?
That's okay. It's all about building a small habit. Keep it easy. Put your notebook next to your coffee machine or use your phone notes.
So I make my coffee and write a few sentences. No excuses.
Exactly. 5 minutes every day is better than one big hour once a week.
Okay, I start simple. I wake up, I eat, I work. Then what?
Then you expand. Add details each week.
Like week 1, I had breakfast. Week 2, I had breakfast. I ate toast and eggs.
Perfect. Then add reasons or emotions. I had a quick breakfast because I was late.
Nice. The sentence grows naturally.
Yes, that's how your English grows too.
So write, speak, add details. What's next?
Our final tip, and this one's powerful. Record yourself.
Oh, no, I don't like hearing my own voice in English.
I know, right? Nobody does. But it's incredibly helpful. And don't worry, no one else needs to hear it.
So I just record myself talking about my day.
Exactly. Something like, today is Monday. I woke up at 7, I went to work, I ate pasta for dinner.
That's easy. Maybe once a week?
Yes, record a 1-minute summary of your week. Then, after a month, listen to your first and your latest recording.
Oh, I can hear my progress.
Exactly. Your pronunciation, confidence, and fluency will all improve, and you'll notice it.
Wow, Emily, these tips are so simple, yet so powerful.
They really are, and anyone can do them. No teacher, no money, no pressure, just you and your daily life.
So the message is, let your routine become your English teacher.
Exactly. Speak about your life, your job, your food, your family, your day. That's how real English lives in you.
I love that. Let your routine become your best English teacher. Beautiful.
And look at the time. It flew by again.
Time always flies when we talk about English.
Thank you all so much for listening today. We hope you try these tips and make English a part of your day.
And don't forget, like this episode, subscribe to English Mind, and share it with a friend who's also learning English.
Oh, and we have a question for you.
Yes, we want you to practice right now. In the comments, write 1 or 2 simple sentences about your day.
Tell us, what did you do this morning? Or what will you do tonight?
We read every comment, and it's a great way for you to practice.
Thank you for being here with us.
Until next time, everyone. Goodbye.